Hi guys, Ben from Flow Brackets. For the rear of a 992.2 GTS, all you'll need to do is get a number plate bracket that matches the style and size of your number plate. For today, we're installing a slimline bracket called the SL2 to fit slimline Victorian plates. It already has 2 holes in the bumper from factory, so we'll be reusing that to install our bracket. All that's left to do is bolt your number plate to the bracket. But before you do, and before you check out, make sure that you check out our range of optional extras that is part of our ecosystem, like this customer that has optioned for security screw fittings, which is an anti-theft fitting that just makes it that little bit harder for thieves to steal your number plate. And that's how you do floating number plates on the back of a 992.2 GTS. Again, it's pretty simple. Just all you have to do is find the matching number plate bracket that matches the size and style of your number plate and bolt it on. For example, if you had standard size, you grab the standard bracket and then bolt it onto the 2 holes in the back of the bumper. If you had Euro plates, you get the Euro premium bracket and do the same. If you guys need some help trying to identify what number plate bracket that you have or need, give us a call at flowbrackets.com.au and we can sort you out. I hope you found this video useful and thanks for watching.